Good morning everyone, I'm Shravani 28031 from TPSA. Today I'm here to present company review session on Infosys. What actually Infosys do? Infosys provide software development, maintenance and validation services for the companies like financial companies, insurance companies, manufacturing companies and other domains. Company details. Infosys is an Indian multinational corporation limited and it is a second largest Indian IT company. It is founded in the year 7th July 1981 and its headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And the founders of the Infosys company are N.R. Narayanamurthy, S. Gopalakrishnan, K. Dinesh. And the CEO of the company is uh, Salil Parekh, and it is a public type company and its industry is IT services, IT consulting, and it is a worldwide area served. And at present, the number of employees in Infosys were 2,42,371, and its website is www.infosys.com. And these are the key people of Infosys company. Salil Parekh, he was the CEO and MD of the company, and Nandan Nilekane, he was the chairman of the Infosys company. And vision and mission. Vision of the company to be globally respected corporation that provides best of breed business solutions leveraging technology delivered by best in class people. And mission of the company to achieve our objectives in an environment of fairness, honesty and courtesy towards our clients, employees, vendors, and society. And these are the products and services of Infosys. The products of Infosys were Classical Portal, Distribution, Finacle, Infosys Edge, Infosys Mask IT, FLYPP. Not only this, there are digital marketing, e-commerce B2B, e-commerce B2C, and online store, travel portal, etc. And the services of the company applications development maintenance enterprise quality services packages application services and system integration. And these are the subsidiaries: um, Edgeworway Systems Limited, Infosys BMP Limited, Infosys Consulting Handling AG, Infosys Technologies Australia Private Limited, Infosys Public Services Limited, Infosys Consulting Limited. And these are the major competitors of Infosys: HCL Technologies, Oracle, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Tata Consultancy Services. And the next one is pestle analysis. The first one, political. In political, the Indian political structure is stable enough, except that the fact there is a fear of hung parliament, and hung parliament in the sense no clear majority. And the next one, government-owned companies. So they decided to provide more IT projects for IT company in India. And the next one is economic. It's having global. It In economic. There is a more demand on global IT spending and domestic IT spending, and the in domestic IT spending, the domestic growth rate is 20%, and currency fluctuations. And next one is social analysis, education. Education nowadays, a number of colleges and universities are providing IT infrastructure facilities to the students. And the second one is working age population. And the next one is technological analysis, telephony. Telephony, it is a second largest network after China. And the next one, internet backbone. Due to 90s revolution, Indian cities, India has performed well and connected with the undersea optical cable. And next analysis is legal analysis. In this, they're having more copyrights, patents, and consumer protection and data protection. And the last one is environmental analysis. In this, they're having waste management and technologies. sector and attitudes towards green or ecological products and climate change. And SWOT analysis strengths. It is having strong brand and strong goodwill, and it is a worldwide model infrastructure, and it is a global delivery model, and they mainly focus on innovations and weakness. In weakness, it is largely dependent on services, and the premium pricing is a drawback in market environment, and issues with the leadership and management. In Infosys, there is a huge dependency with America and Europe. And when coming to opportunities, they're having expansion in Asia and Middle East markets, and IT integration across the industries. And the last one is threats. In threats, there is global and regional competitors and visa fees and also legislations. And here comes financial statements. As in, when we see here operating revenues in 2016, it is 53,983.00. When it is increased in 2020, that is 79,474 047.00. And in total expenses, when we compare with the other years, when we see here, in 2016 it is 39,389, but when compared to 2020, it has been increased, that is 61,270.00. And in gross profit margin in 2016, it is having highest percentage, that is 32 percentage. But when a year passing on, in 2020, it has been decreased to 28%. And however, in this case, profit or loss before tax, we see here 2016 it is 17,600, and it has been increased in the year 2020 20,477. And also in the same profit after loss profit loss after tax, it has been increased, it has been decreased in it has having least value in 2016 12,600. And when compared to other years, we see here 2020 it has been increased to 15,543. And next, Infosys Limited shareholding. We see here shareholding patterns. When promoters and other companies hold less profit, that is 13% in promoters and others in 2%. And the highest percentage we see here is foreign institutions earn more shares, that is 40%. And ratios. In quick ratio, we see here highest value, that is 4 in 2016, but it is decreased to 3 in 2020. In the case current ratio also, we see here in 2016 it is 4, and in 2020 it has been decreased to 3%. This is the graphs of quick ratio, current ratio and quick ratio. Next one is Porges by force analysis. Threat of new extends bargain power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitute products or services, rivalry among existing firms. And the next one is awards and allocates. In 2020, Infosys were awarded as one of the most honored companies for receiving multiple awards for all Asia executive team rankings from institutional investor. And in 2019, Infosys won prestigious United Nations Global Climate Action Award in the Climate Neutral Now category. Next one is CSR activities. Infosys Foundation, healthcare, social rehabilitation, and rural equipment, learning and education, art and culture. Conclusion. Infosys is a global leader in technology services consisting. They enable clients in more than 50 countries to create and execute strategies for their digital formation, and the team is about 200 thousand plus industries and technologies that they bring to every project we undertake that they undertake. Thank you.